Students, today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic. Yes, a very interesting topic, that is pie charts. As you can see here, pie charts, data that can be represented by means of a circular diagram. A data that is represented through a circular diagram is pie chart, and this diagram is called pie chart. This is used when we want to compare one component with the other component and the total. The values of these components are represented by sectors of the circle. Here you can see these values are represented by sectors of the circle, and it is a part of statistics. CBSE syllabus. It can come in any other board also. This lesson is delivered by Meghna Jain. So let's get started with the topic. The expenses of a couple on various heads are given below. What are the heads? Let's write the heads first. Heads and expenses in rupees. What is given here? Expenses in rupees and फ्रैक्शन. यहाँ पे हम निकालेंगे फ्रैक्शन एंड यहाँ पर हम स्टैटिस्टिक. इसके लिए पाई चार्ट के लिए जो जरूरत है हमें, वो सेंट्रल एंगल की जरूरत है. सेंट्रल एंगल. सेंट्रल एंगल. हेड्स आर पेट्रोल, students, here are various heads: petrol, food, clothing and miscellaneous. Expenses that are spent on these items are 1500, food 3000, clothing 750, miscellaneous 750. Total expenditure is 6000. And now you have to calculate how much portion of the circle is covered by these expenditures. Like 1500 divided by total 6000 is equal to, fraction है हमारा 1/4, 3000 by 6000 fraction है 1/2, 750 by 6000 fraction है 1/8, 750 by 6000 fraction है 1/8 again. मेजर ऑफ सेंट्रल एंगल. देखिए पूरे एंगल में, पूरे सर्कल में कितना डिग्री होता है? 360 डिग्री. तो फ्रैक्शन को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 360 डिग्री से, वी विल गेट द सेंट्रल एंगल वी नीड. 1/2 into 360 is equal to 280. 1/8 into 360 is equal to 45 degree. 1/8 into 360 is equal to 45 degree. अब देखिए ये सब ऐड करके आपके पास 360 डिग्री टोटल बनेगा. तो आप इन सबको ऐड करेंगे. दिस इज द शेयर शेयर्ड बाय all the expenditures in the pie diagram. Okay, in the pie chart. So let us make the pie chart now.
Students, I have these cuttings of the circle. We are going to make pie chart out of these cuttings. Like ये 90 degree शो हो रहा है. ये देखिए, this is the full circle. So we are going to make this pie chart with the help of these circles. You can also do this, make this pie chart with the help of a protractor and a D, making the angles what is given in the pie chart. You can also use that method, but I want to show you the area covered, so I will be using this. So let us make the whole circle with the help of this. Students, we can use this semicircle to make 180 degree angle, right? क्योंकि वो 180 degree angle सेमी सर्कल ही होता है. This 180 here represents food. So can we write food here? Now we can use another piece. 90 degree petrol का था हमारा. So let's do 90 degree for petrol and make the angle. This is of 90 degree. You all agree to me? So let's write petrol here. 45 degree for clothing and miscellaneous. So we can cut 45 degree into two halves, 90 degree into two halves of 45. We will get the measure for clothing. Here we can write clothing and miscellaneous. Now our pie diagram is complete. Students, to make it look attractive, you can color it with different colors, like I have colored it. This is your pie chart for the question.
Students, we have already made the pie chart. Pie chart में two type के questions आ सकते हैं. That is making of the pie chart. We have already done that. Now, second type of question which can come in your examination is you are given a pie chart and you have to find out, you have to interpret from the pie chart which is asked from you. Like the given question, study the pie chart given in the adjacent figure, which depicts the marks obtained by a student in the examination of the total 300 marks. So total marks in the examination is 300. So find the marks obtained by him in each subject. Each subject में हम marks कैसे निकालेंगे? Marks obtained in mathematics is equal to, देखिए कितना पार्ट कवर कर रहा है ये सर्कल का, दैट इज इक्वल टू जितना पार्ट कवर कर रहा है 120 डिग्री कवर कर रहा है, टोटल डिग्रीज है 360 डिग्री, तो 120 आउट ऑफ 360 कवर कर रहा है और टोटल मार्क्स है 300, सो इट इज इक्वल टू 1/3 and this is equal to 100. So in mathematics he has obtained 100 marks. So now we are going to find out how many marks he has obtained in English. 90, देखिए 90 degree आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे, 90 degree given है. So let's see, let's calculate in English. Marks obtained in English. कितना डिग्री था स्टूडेंट्स? यू रिमेम्बर दैट इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. वेरी गुड, आप सबको सब याद रहता है. 90 डिग्री आउट ऑफ टोटल 360 degree into total marks were 300 marks. Very good. Now 90 upon 360, that is equal to 1/4, and marks obtained in English will be equal to 75 marks. Now marks obtained in social studies, देखिए 42% ही कवर कर रहे हैं. So marks obtained in social science is equal to 42% out of 360 into 300। देखिए यहाँ पर अगर हम काटेंगे तो 5 आ जाएगा और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 6। अब 6 से अगर 42 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो 7 आ जाएगा। So we get 35 marks. Now, next subject is marks obtained in general science. देखिए 48% है। Marks obtained in general science is equal to 48% था बेटा। Divide by total angle कितना है? Into 300. So, students, we have to calculate marks obtained in general science. So 48 by 360 into 300. If we cut by 30, you will get 6 here, 5 here. 5 into 6 से आप 48 को कट करेंगे, so get 8 here. 8 into 5 is 40 marks you have obtained in general science, and marks obtained in Hindi 60 था आपका। 60 डिग्री शो हो रहा था। 60 by 360 into 300, that is 50 marks. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video and stay tuned for more videos on this channel. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye for today.